I think that as a past instructor of online courses, I used to get bored of this same old methodology, and I'm sure our students do. And so with that, Dean, we started thinking about what are some different strategies that we could do, and what do we want to do? If we don't want to do this anymore, what do we want to do? So in this next slide, we talked about, okay, here's some of what that paradigm shift might look like. If we don't want to do those traditional methodologies that really tend to be more writing assignments and actually discussion, what are we looking for? And, we wanted, okay, we didn't want to be constrained by weeks. We wanted the students to be leading these discussions. We wanted the students to share content and to use these discussions as a way of that happening. We wanted them to collaborate with each other to solve problems. And we wanted to leverage multimedia. So this is the start of that paradigm shift we wanted to see.